And here is another episode of Talented Creators Open Collaboration. And today's theme is fall, harvest, and one must include corn. So I am going to begin by this one right here. I took this wood round, I took off the jute cord, and then I just go ahead and add some tape, but I'm gonna put it slanted. I don't wanna put it straight. I want this to be a little different. A little bit of painter's tape right here, and then I am coming in with this harvest orange paint, and I'm gonna paint half of it. Once everything is nice and dry, then I'm going to come in with this peel and stick wallpaper. I am going to be placing it right here. Look at how these colors are coming together. This is absolutely gorgeous. I am really in love with this wallpaper. This is new at the Dollar Tree, and I'm pretty sure that you guys have seen it. I mean, it's really hard to miss. These colors are so vibrant. So I'm going to go ahead and turn it around, cut it with the scissors, and then the remaining, I'm just going to come in with my sand block and sand it. And I am obsessed with this braided jute cord. I purchased this at Temu. So I'm going to go ahead and add some more hot glue right here in between where both of these meet, just to disguise it. And then I'm just going to go ahead and place this right here. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this piece. And then of course I'm coming in with my scissors and cutting both of those ends. And if you need to add a little bit of more hot glue in the corners, then feel free to do so it won't come apart. And then this gather, oh my god, I've purchased these at Dollar General a couple of weeks ago, and I am obsessed with these words. I purchased about 4 packages, and both bring 2 words on each package. I also have this beautiful leaf from Dollar Tree. I didn't purchase this year. I purchased this, I don't know, maybe several years ago. They come several in a package. I'm giving it one entire coat with that harvest orange color, and then once it's completely dry, I come in with khaki color. I'm just trying to add some veins to this leaf. I want to make sure that it looks a little bit more realistic. So once the leaf is completely dry, then I'm going to come in with some hot glue and place it right here. Isn't this coming together? This is so pretty. I just can't get over how in love I'm with this piece. I'm going to go ahead and add this jute cord back here so like that I can have something to hang in. I'm also going to use 2 different burlap ribbons to create a bow. Of course, you know that we need to use some hot glue to place it right up here. Also going to be adding some fall leaves here and there. And then this would be almost it. Let me know in the comment section your thoughts about this piece. I hope you have enjoyed it. My dear friends, and today we are back with Talented Creators Open Collaboration. This takes place every month, and it is being hosted by myself, DIYWithAurea, along with my dear friend Loli D's Creations. Every month we try to bring at least a co-host and a guest host. This month the guest host is Happiness Creative with Tammy. She is such a great creator, and the guest host is Tia. Visit her channel, she is amazing as well. With Momoval Trays DIY. The links directly to their channels will be down in my description box along with the playlist. Please make sure to visit them and give them a lots of love. It does help our channel when you subscribe, share, and like. And today's theme is fall, harvest, and one of the DIYs must contain some type of corn. Moving along with our second project, I purchased this cutting board several weeks ago for $1 at Dollar General. And again, we are going to continue to use these peel and stick wallpaper. I placed it against the cutting board and I created a wreath so like that I could guide myself on how to cut this. Once this is cut, I'm just going to go ahead and put it to the side, and using this ivory chalk paint, I'm going to be giving it 2 coats only to the upper section of the cutting board. Now it's time to peel and stick this little piece of wallpaper. These colors are just absolutely amazing. I am in love with this. And then I'm going to go ahead and once this is put in place, I'm going to continue to use that braided jute cord because I want to make sure that it all comes together. Each month on this Talented Creators Collaboration channel, we love to give a special shout out to all of our crafty partners. And today we are so excited to celebrate and highlight the following individuals. Raisha from Pretty DIYs, also Cheryl, Farmhouse Frigally, and La Parsha Crafting It Myself. Happy birthday, ladies! I'm going to continue with this ivory color. I'm going to give it one coat to this home word. Once it's completely done, then with plenty of hot glue, we're just going to go ahead and place it right on top of that cutting board, along with some little flowers that I found at the bottom of my stash. So I'm just going to place two right up here. I also added again that raffia little bowl, and this is absolutely gorgeous. Also love to hear your comments down below. I also going to be taking the same braided jute cord, and with that I'm going to be creating something to hang it up on my kitchen wall. And as you see, I'm not going to be covering the back section because I might want to use this reverse side in the future. And this is it, my dear friends. I hope you have enjoyed this project. Moving along to our third project, I have this wreath and I'm going to go ahead and take this burlap ribbon and cover the entire wreath. Once the entire wreath form was completely covered, off camera took 3 different ribbons and created this beautiful bow. I'm gonna fluff it up, and then with more raffia, I'm gonna create this little bunch, or it's not even a bow. I just tied some of it together, and with some more hot glue, I'm gonna go ahead and tie it right in the bottom of the wreath form. Once that's in place, then I have these corns that I purchased at Dollar Tree, and that's where it's gonna go. It's gonna go one on each side. But before then, I'm gonna take a whole bunch of flowers and just take them apart, and then later on I'm gonna decide which I'm gonna be using. I'm gonna go ahead also and trim this raffia up a little, and then I'm just gonna start putting floral all over the wreath form. So just go ahead, sit back, relax, and watch how I decorate this wreath form. I'm not gonna be explaining step by step because this is just self-explanatory. I also want to remind you the playlist will be down linked in my description box. Don't forget to visit Loli, Tammy, and Tia. These ladies have a lot more inspiration for you. Once you are ready to jump into their channels, please make sure to let them know that I said hi and that I send you over. Please consider subscribing to their channels. They will appreciate it. I'm also going to be leaving a link to a huge playlist that I have in my channel. Also visit that playlist. Maybe you have not seen some of my creations, and I am just hoping to inspire you for this season and for all the other seasons to come. Also adding this hook before it's completely done, only because I want to make sure that I have something to hook it up. And then I'm coming back. This is a different day, of course. I'm coming back and I'm going to be adding more floral, and with plenty of hot glue, I'm just going to be tucking all this floral, here and there wherever is necessary. And my dear friends, I also want to thank you for staying until the end of this video. If you haven't yet subscribed, I would love for you to join the community. It really helps my channel's growth. Don't forget to share this video with your families and friends, and make sure to hit that notification bell button like that. Every time I upload a new video, you will be one of the first ones to be notified. I hope you have enjoyed all of these creations, and don't forget to let me know in the comments section which of all of these have been your favorite. And just a quick reminder, the month of October, we will be crafting for Christmas, just to give you guys time to collect your items and craft along with us. I will see you in my next video. I hope you enjoy it.